Mila's English Class and School presents Daily Phrase Dose. Let your hair down. To relax and behave in a more informal or carefree manner than usual. After a stressful day. After that long meeting, you should go home and let your hair down. During a vacation. This vacation is the perfect opportunity to let your hair down and forget about work. Encouraging someone to relax. You've been working so hard lately. Take the weekend to let your hair down. Observing someone enjoying themselves. It was nice to see her let her hair down and dance at the wedding. Look at these examples in contextual sentences.
Hansel, let down your hair.
No, wash your face and let your hair down.
Just relax and let your hair down.
And, let your hair down.
Two, if you just let your hair down a little.
Well, if you just let your hair down a little.
Wow, you really let your hair down.
Please like, comment and subscribe for more English learning videos.